Are you looking for the best ultra-soft detailing brushes in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best ultra-soft detailing brushes that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Ziciner Curved Car Detailing Brush. The Ziciner Car Detailing Brush is a compact interior cleaning tool designed to remove dust from narrow and awkward spaces. This package includes 2 purple brushes, each measuring approximately 3.86 by 1.77 inches, making them small enough to store in a glove box, door pocket, or detailing bag. The soft synthetic fiber bristles are tightly arranged to reduce shedding, while their fluffy texture supports gentle cleaning on dashboards, air conditioning vents, seats, center consoles, armrests, windows, and other delicate surfaces. A curved bristle design helps the brush reach hidden dust more easily than a flat cleaning cloth. The ABS handle is lightweight, odorless, and shaped with anti-slip grooves for a more comfortable, controlled grip. After cleaning, the bristles dry quickly and can be reused for future detailing sessions. Beyond automotive use, the brush can also clean keyboards, household air conditioners, fans, windows, and other everyday items. Overall, this 2-piece set is ideal for drivers who need a simple, portable duster for regular interior maintenance, especially in tight areas where larger brushes or towels are difficult to use effectively. No complicated setup is required. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chemical Guys All in the Details Brush Set. The Chemical Guys All in the Details Interior Detailing Brush Set is a 3-piece kit created for precise cleaning in tight vehicle interiors. Each brush uses soft yet durable synthetic bristles that help loosen dust, dirt, and debris without scratching delicate surfaces. The different sizes make it easier to work around air vents, dashboard controls, buttons, cup holders, trim, seams, knobs, and narrow crevices that larger cleaning tools cannot reach. Lightweight, ergonomic handles provide a secure grip and improved control, helping reduce hand fatigue during longer detailing sessions. These brushes are suitable for quick touch-ups as well as deeper interior cleaning, making them useful for both DIY car owners and professional detailers. Their reusable construction allows them to be washed after use and kept ready for future jobs, adding dependable long-term value. The set works with cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs, so it can serve a variety of vehicle owners. Overall, this Chemical Guys kit is a reliable choice for anyone who wants straightforward, professional-style interior cleaning tools that can restore detailed areas to a cleaner, more polished appearance with minimal effort. At number 3, we have the MVEQRRN 6-piece car detailing brush set. The MVEQRRN 6-piece car detailing brush set gives vehicle owners 3 different bristle types for handling a wide range of cleaning tasks. It includes 2 yellow boar hair brushes, 2 multicolored detailing brushes, and 2 ultra-soft black synthetic brushes. The boar hair tools are suitable for tougher exterior areas and wheels, while the multicolor brushes can be used across both interior and exterior surfaces. For sensitive areas such as dashboards, leather seats, vents, and trim, the ultra-soft synthetic brushes provide a gentler option that helps reduce the chance of scratching. Each brush features a comfortable, ergonomic handle, allowing better control when working around narrow gaps, corners, seams, and other hard-to-reach locations. The materials are designed to hold their shape and remain effective through repeated use, giving this set added long-term value. Beyond regular cabin cleaning, these brushes can tackle engine bays, wheels, tires, and detailed exterior components. Overall, this kit offers useful variety for home detailers who want separate brushes for delicate surfaces, general cleaning, and heavier grime without relying on one tool for every task. It is especially useful for organized, surface-specific detailing. At number 2, we have the Yungeln 3-piece car interior dust brush set. The Yungeln 3-piece car interior detailed dust brush set offers a simple and affordable way to clean the small spaces inside and outside your vehicle. The package includes 2 detailing brushes and 1 8.7-inch dual-head cleaning tool. Its upgraded microfiber bristles are soft, fluffy, and designed to resist shedding, making them suitable for delicate surfaces such as dashboards, leather seats, center consoles, and trim. The dual head tool combines a cleaning cloth with a nylon brush, so you can wipe larger areas and loosen dust from narrow vents or hidden corners. These brushes are thick enough to hold soapy water, allowing both wet and dry cleaning depending on the job. They can reach cracks, nuts, seams, air conditioning vents, armrests, badges, grills, wheels, brake calipers, and engine compartments. The set is also useful for motorcycles, computers, radios, and other household equipment. Comfortable handles provide better grip and control during longer cleaning sessions. Overall, this compact kit is a practical choice for beginners who want versatile detailing tools without purchasing a large professional set. Its compact size also makes storage inside the vehicle easy. And finally, at number 1, we have the TTRCB 7-piece car detailing brush set. The TTRCB 7-piece car detailing brush set is a versatile cleaning kit for drivers who want to reach areas that ordinary towels and sponges often miss. The package includes a natural boar hair brush, soft hair brush, fiber brush, ultra soft detailing brush, dual head vent cleaner, cleaning gel, and a convenient organizer bag. Each tool serves a different purpose, making the set useful for dashboards, leather seats, vents, wheels, exterior trim, and narrow interior gaps. The 8.7-inch dual head cleaner combines a cloth surface with a nylon brush, helping remove dust from difficult corners. Meanwhile, the reusable cleaning gel picks up crumbs, hair, and small debris from cup holders, console gaps, and other tight spaces. The upgraded microfiber brush feels soft and fluffy, while its comfortable handle supports controlled cleaning without damaging delicate surfaces. Everything fits neatly inside the included storage bag, which can be placed in the trunk or back seat. Overall, this set is practical for routine maintenance, deeper detailing sessions, and anyone who wants several specialized cleaning tools in one compact package. It also makes a thoughtful gift for car care enthusiasts.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.